What is up, you guys? It's your girl Shanelle.janai from around the way. Hey, and thank you guys for tuning into my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my night routine. I'm starting out by tying my hair up so that I can go ahead and handle my hygiene, okay? Right now I'm oily and need to brush my teeth, so yeah. I don't know about y'all, but everything is so much more fun with music, whether it's taking a shower, brushing your teeth, whatever. To wash my face, as you can see, the product I'm using is called Affinia. It's by a brand called Melaleuca. If anybody's interested in more details on Melaleuca, they're like a brand that sells everything that's all natural and has no harsh chemicals in it. Just hit me up and I can give you further details. But I like it a lot. It's a 3-step process. The first part is a scrub, the second part is a face wash, and then there's a moisturizer. It makes my skin feel so amazing. Then, of course, you want to brush your teeth before going to bed. I always get my tongue. I even brush my lips. It's a good way to exfoliate, and that's why my kisses be so soft. Okay, so I think I need to kind of talk through this. So here we go. This is my first time using this. I got it for my birthday. Shout outs to you, mommy. You the best, boo. It is a WaterPik. And I want to show y'all the box. I'm not even sure which one I'm going to use. The classic jet tip, toothbrush tip, plaque seeker tip, orthodontic tip, pickpocket tip. Just a little backstory before I open it without talking too much. As you may know, I have braces, right? And so it's very, very hard for me to get in between my brackets. Also, if you're wondering about this gap right here, you should go watch my videos on my road to the perfect smile. I do have a couple of videos on what's going on with my teeth, and basically I had a tooth removed and now my teeth are just being brought in together, so that's why that gap is there. And it's closing. It should be probably closed within a few months. Anyway, I just brushed my teeth, but that is not going to be good enough because my smile is good right now, but up close there may be stuff in between my teeth. So your best bet is to floss. I usually floss. Obviously, I didn't have this until my birthday, and I didn't want to open it without opening it and using it for the first time with you guys. So I did wait. I wanted to use it so bad. Trust me, so bad. Yeah. So let me just get into opening this up. So has a whole manual here, and here is the baby. Here's the baby. This is gonna be so. Here are the 6 pieces that they were talking about. They are in there. I'm gonna read through this to make sure I'm doing everything right, setting everything up, and then I will be back with y'all in a minute. So I take the reservoir, fill it with lukewarm water so it's filled to the top. Then I take the whole thing, place this back on top with the water in it, and press down firmly so that it's on there real nice and secure. Then we take this lid and place it on top of this to close the top. Which tip do I want to use? The orthodontic one. Yeah, I'm going to use the orthodontic one. So that would be the orthodontic tip. So to put it on, you could literally just put this on here and listen for the click sound, and it's secure. To take it off, there's an eject button right here, so that, and it kind of just pops out. Alright, y'all, so I'm ready to use it. I figured out everything. I got a little pause button when I want to pause. And I'm going to start with the lowest pressure and then go up from there. Go from 1 to 10. And, yeah, that's it. Here you go. What? Oh, it ain't no water left. What? Alright, now we go. I love it. It did really good. It did really good. The hardest part for me was knowing exactly where it was. Like, I'm used to looking at something. So if I have this in my mouth with my lips closed, basically, I can't really see where I'm going with it. I wish that there was a way I could look in the mirror like this. But if I do that, then water will be splashing everywhere. I really like it. I can't wait to see the difference that it makes in my teeth. It definitely did a really good job and actually takes the place of flossing your teeth. So I do recommend it. This was my first time using it and I really like it.
Okay, so this is when I kind of wind down before taking it all the way down. I always check my Instagram, check my YouTube account, make sure that my videos are getting some views, and comment back to everybody that leaves a comment, you know, all that good stuff. And I'm about to be out like a light. Yeah, like a light. But good night, y'all. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Show me some love. Show me some support. And I'll be back with another freaking video.